Look, if you're a struggling nursing student, you should be studying less and living more. The problem is you don't understand nursing school, or you don't know how to read hundreds of pages, take the right notes, or study for exams so you get confident A's every time. I know how you feel because that's exactly where I was not long ago. And today, I'm a nursing professor who's helped over 5,000 students become nurses by studying less and living more. As a nurse, I get asked all the time how I made it through without drowning. So I built the Nursing School Masterclass to teach anyone how to ace nursing school by walking you step by step through my 4 strategies for success, helping you read, take notes, and study the right way that gets A's. So sign up today for my free half-hour training to reading, note-taking, and exams in nursing school, showing you in real time how to become a nurse while studying less and living more. We'll see you there.